راح اوريكم الحين شلون نبدل هارد ديسك الماك بوك. طبعا بعد ما نشيل البطارية. في 3 screws here 1 2 3. I'll screw them. I already made them loose. Okay. And then there is this plate. They are holding a plate that we need to pull it out, as you can see here. Very easy to remove. Now, this is the hard disk. It is located here. Just pull this piece of plastic and you just pull it out. And there you are. This is the old hard disk. Now what you need to do is to take this plate off the hard disk, because you're gonna need it to fix it on the new one. You're gonna need a special type of screw. That's the one I don't think you can see clearly. It's like a 6-side star. Okay, so we'll just unscrew this plate. There are 4 screws holding it to the hard disk. And there you go. Now this plate, you don't need to throw it. You need it for the new hard disk to fix it on, so that you can pull it out as we did with the old one. Okay, so we'll keep this away. And this is the new hard disk, which is Western Digital, the 320 gig SATA. I got it for 19 KD from Ibn Khaldun Street. Okay, we just put this here, sorry, on the other end, and we make sure that this side is opposite to the side of the pins. You can see the pins here. Okay, this is the side that will go in, and this will be the side that is out. Okay, so we put the screws back in.